Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering facts. Confirm the iPhone model, the iOS version if known, and the Apple ID email tied to the device. Once done, locate proof of purchase or the serial/IMEI. Apple often requires it. Make sure the phone has at least 50% charge and that you'll work from a trusted computer or secure Wi-Fi network. This saves time and avoids failed recovery attempts, so prepare these items now before moving into account recovery or device restore steps. Next, attempt an account-first approach. Go to Apple's account recovery process and follow multi-factor prompts. Use a recovery key if you have one. If the account route fails, place the iPhone into recovery or DFU mode and use Finder or iTunes on a computer to erase and reinstall iOS. This removes a passcode but not activation lock. If activation lock appears, contact Apple support with proof of purchase and serial/IMEI. Apple can remove it when ownership is verified. Finally, after signing in with the recovered Apple ID, restore your data from iCloud or a local backup to return to normal use. If you can't sign in or activation lock remains, escalate. Schedule an appointment at an Apple store or authorized service provider and bring government ID plus the original receipt or box showing serial number. If ownership documentation is missing, Apple may refuse. In that case, preserve all receipts and consider legal or law enforcement avenues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.